Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoices linked tasks in QuickBooks to project tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and navigate to the invoices section. Locate the invoice that contains the tasks you wish to transfer. Click on the invoice to open its details. Review the tasks listed within the invoice. Take note of any task details that are relevant for your project management tools. Now, log into your project management tool of choice. Create a new project or select an existing project where you want to transfer these tasks. In the project, find the option to add tasks. For each task from the invoice, enter the title, description, and any relevant details. Assign the tasks to the appropriate team members. Set due dates for each task based on the invoice timeline. If your project management tool allows, add tags or labels for better organization. Once all tasks are entered, double-check for accuracy. If your project management tool integrates with QuickBooks, consider using this feature to streamline the process. Save the project with all the new tasks. Return to QuickBooks to confirm that the invoice and linked tasks are accurately reflected. Monitor your project management tool for task updates and progress. Review the tasks regularly to ensure alignment with your invoicing processes. That's how you effectively transfer invoices-linked tasks from QuickBooks to project tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.